Hello, kids! Welcome to the wild and wonderful world of the jungle. I'm so excited to take you on an adventure today to meet some amazing jungle animals. Are you ready to explore? Great! Now, the jungle is like a big green playground full of tall trees, noisy rivers, and so many animals. It's home to creatures big and small. Some climb trees, some swing from vines, and some even roar loudly to say hello.
Look at that buffalo munching on grass. Buffaloes are herbivores, which means they only eat plants like grass and leaves. They're like nature's lawnmowers, helping to keep the grasslands healthy and tidy. Do you see those big curvy horns? Buffaloes use their horns to protect themselves and their herd from predators like lions. They're super strong, and no two buffalo horns look exactly the same, just like fingerprints. Buffaloes love to stick together. They live in large groups called herds, which can have hundreds of buffaloes. Staying in a herd helps them stay safe because they look out for each other. Teamwork makes the dream work. Look at those little birds riding on the buffalo's backs. These are called oxpeckers, and they help the buffalo by eating bugs and ticks off their skin. It's like a free cleaning service. What a great partnership! Buffaloes are also great swimmers. They love to hang out near rivers and waterholes to drink water and cool off on hot days. They're like the superheroes of the savannah. That's why they're a symbol of strength and determination. Buffaloes are not just strong, they're also very brave. They're known to stand their ground and defend their herd from danger, to be strong, no matter how to help the threat, and to stick together like a team. Thanks for learning about buffaloes with me today. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye. Thanks for learning, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Bright Spark Kids TV for more content like this.